My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Moviety. This is the extension specifically designed for the Google Chrome browsers. The developers of this extension indicate that this is some perfect browser extension for movie lovers of all stripes. They can tell you that by installing the extension you'll be able to get more information about the specific movie that you are going to watch or would like to watch. But in reality, the problem with this extension is that very often it is spread through integration with certain free applications. In many cases, people download and install it unintentionally, so this is why it is correctly considered as a potentially unwanted program, because people download it and install it without their intention. Also, the majority of such third-party extensions may function as adware by showing ads not really related to the sites that you visit. They may also forward you to some other questionable content from time to time. So we recommend you to remove this extension from your Google Chrome browser, and this is the way you can do it. Go to the menu More Tools, Extensions. Find this Moviety extension, disable, and remove the extension completely. Finally, I recommend researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.